This is how my truck is looking right now, covered in snow. I'm gonna have to shovel it out today before it freezes up. Got my shovel, got my little tripod, see what I get today. We got the 1010 Super Crew right there, covered in snow as well. I'm gonna set up the tripod, see what angle I get. Start taking off the snow. Let me go to this side real quick. I was in it earlier, had the heat on, so it was melting from the windshield and around. Sheesh. I was used to owning a 4x4, or I barely had to clean it up on the route. I just turn it on, put it in 4x4, and I'm out. But this one's different. Gotta make some clearance right there, right there. Own truck's gonna be a plow truck, just to get out of here. Let me see. Look how quick it covers up. slide. It's still coming down. I try making more clearance around the wheels, so I dug more in, dug some more snow out. Oh man, I hear what the leaf blower, snow blower made way more clearance. So now we're trying to go back and forth so I can try and level out the snow a bit, but I'm not gonna take it out because it's not worth it right now. I don't gotta go anywhere. This is dry. Check it out. Go back. Turn this home. See, it'll get me out. I just gotta apply that back and forth momentum. Somebody right there gotta stop. And they're 4x4. But yeah, I'm just trying to like make that tread in the snow, so when I do gotta get out, it already built up that tread and it's not frozen up right now, you know. Like I shape out the road in a way. Look at that. Oh, getting out. Yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. It's still snowing. I'm gonna be back here cleaning this up, but ain't nothing to do, man. I'm used to it. If you live up north like me, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing, my boy. I'm gonna leave the single cab like this. I am gonna come back a little later because it's still snowing to clean off the little bit that's gonna build up. But now I'm actually in the video with cleaning off my Super Crew. That's right there. It's been parked up. I've been driving it. It's two-wheel drive. There's no point in taking that one now. There's no point in taking this one now. They're both two-wheel drive.
Drop a couple tears over these written words, destined for greatness ever since the day I was given birth. Born with a curse, but I'm just trying to convince the earth. Every time I did something wrong, I had no intent to hurt. I spit the words of crown men, walk with my head high through your town's end. Came to reach the hearts of thousands, here's the announcement. Four is in the house, everybody circles around him. Speaking with the depth of the sea, the height of a mountain. And they doubt until they realize his vision was the truest. Realize no other individual could do this. Give me a pen and I'ma use it in a fashion that nobody else can fool with. Making more than music, it's a motherfucking movement. Pulling nothing but the truest, leaving motherfuckers clueless. So let's knuckle up and do this. All the kids that hate me need to cuddle up and group kids. They said I'll never make it, so I struggle just to prove it. Friends turn foes, foes turn jealous. It's hard to show my love, cause growing up I never felt it. Misery loves company, so darling take my hand, please come with me. Friends turn foes, foes turn jealous. It's hard to show my love, cause growing up I never felt it. Misery loves company, so darling take my hand, please come with me. Come with me.
It's still on. It's on just like it was on when you was young. And you want to say fuck that just like you said fuck that back then. So I come now that I'm 20 years old ready to...
That's all I'm gonna do to the Super Crew. I'm not gonna take it out. Check how high this snow is. Knee high. I'm gonna leave this side like that because the snow, the plow truck is gonna come by and it's just gonna stack up. That's gonna be it for this video, my boy. It is gonna continue snowing. We'll come back and clean these holes up. Probably make it short.
The message, give a fuck about the showbiz. My father used to give the cold shoulder to his own kids. That's probably why I'm so upset they trying to make me go to rest. But you'll never see me sleep cause it's too close to death. Coke and meth in my father's bloodstream when he made me. Born in 94, just another crack baby from another black lady, and my mother can't tame me. No father figure, so you fuckers can't blame me. Learn to get used to it, ain't that crazy? The street lights and the train tracks raised me. Nigga, friends turn foes, foes turn jealous. It's hard to show my love cause growing up I never felt it. Misery loves company, so darling take my hand, please come with me.